So I'm going to show you how loud the Cicada 6.5 2-ohm speakers are connected to a Sony XAV7000 and a 1400.4 Cicada amp. Alright, we're going to start from 0, and then we're going to go all the way up to level 45 is where I have it. I don't even have it at its max at 50 for safety purposes, but here we go.
We chase the leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Alright, so this is about as far as I'm gonna go. I could still hear the music clear. I mean, we're talking about two 6.5 2-ohm Cicada speakers with an external amp. That's it. I'm pretty sure I could keep walking and you can still hear it. I love these speakers. They sound amazing while riding. So stay tuned for my second Cicada sound review. I'm going to be adding two 6x9 2-ohm speakers to the lids. So I hope you liked the video. Drop a like and subscribe, and have an amazing day.